Welcome to the passing package for the subject Indian Constitution. It's applicable to VTU students, even those who are out of the VTU also can be referred for this particular video. Let's get started and I'll tell you how to study and how to crack the examination without any major issues. The pattern is 50 MCQs, each carries 1 marks, altogether 50 marks. Internal marks has been already awarded. Then passing marks is 18 out of 50. That means 36 marks you should get. The scoring that will be 35 plus easy using the list given below, right? So in the first module, we'll be mainly focusing on introduction to constitution. You must remember the following points. What is constitution? The definition of constitution and the need for constitution. And the Constituent Assembly, who is the chairman of Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Drafting Committee, who was the chairman of Drafting Committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Adopting date, 26th November 1949. And the enforced date is on 26th January 1950, and we are celebrating as Republic Day. Then type of constitution, written and lengthiest one. So remember adoption date as well as enforced date, right? Next is we'll go for go live questions. Who is called father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It is one of the short question. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? 26 November 1949. That is also most important. People may get confusion. When did it come to enforce? 26th Jan 1950. Anyone you can expect it. Okay. Constituent Assembly Chairman, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number of articles in original constitution, there are 395 articles. Do remember this. Coming to module number 2, preambles and fundamental rights. Must remember the following terms. Preamble, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, at last republic. Also focus on justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. 6 fundamental rights. Rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights against exploitation, rights to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies. These are the important 6 fundamental rights. Okay. So the next one is module 2, go live questions. Which part of the constitution is the preamble? Of course, it's at introduction. Who gave the concept of fundamental rights? United States of America. Article for right to equality, very, very important. Article 14 to 18. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Who issue writs? Supreme Court as well as High Court. These are the important questions. Module number 3. DPSPs and duties. Must remember the following terms. Directive principles. It is in the part 4. Article lies between 36 to 51. Non-justiciable but fundamental in governance, inspired by Irish constitution, that you have to remember. Okay, so this particular point is actually taken from Irish constitution, Ireland. Then fundamental duties, Article 51A, Part 4A, adopted by 42nd Amendment in 1976. There are total 11 duties that also you have to remember. So these are the most important points which can expect in the examination. Let's go live multiple choice questions. DPSPs are introduced in which part? Part 4, of course. DPSPs are enforced by the court. Is it correct or not? No. Fundamental duties added by which amendment? 42nd Amendment. Total fundamental duties, how many are there? There are 11. Sources of DPSP, that is Ireland. Okay, so this is regarding direct principles. Okay, direct principles and fundamental duties. Now, we'll discuss about union and government judiciary, that is belong to module 4. You must remember the following terms. President, head of the state, which is belong to Article 52. Prime Minister, real executives, which is mentioned in Article 74. Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. There are two parliaments. One is Lok Sabha LS, other one is Rajya Sabha RS. Judiciary, independent, Article 124. Do remember this. Judicial review and judicial activism. Now let's go for the live MCQ questions. Who is the nominal executive head? Of course, president. Real executive authority lies with the prime minister. Highest judicial authority in India, that is Supreme Court. Tenure of Lok Sabha, that is only 5 years. Who appointment Supreme Court judges? Of course, president. So these are the important go live questions. Kindly remember these questions. Of course, you may get 1 or 2 in the examination. Must remember the terms in 5th module, that is state executives and elections. Governor appointment by the president. Chief Minister, real executives of state. State legislate. Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Parishad. Remember this. State legislature. Election Commission, Article 324. Emergency types. Article 352 belongs to national. Article 356 belongs to state. And Article 360, that is merely belong to financial issues. Go live MCQ questions are: who appointment governor? Of course, president. Tenure of state assembly, 5 years. Article for election commission, Article 324. Which article deal with the national emergency? Article 352. Okay, here already mentioned emergency. Okay, Article 352. Who in conducts elections in India? Election Commission of India. By the way, like a topic wise passing strategy for the students. Module 1, remember dates, assembly, and article. For example, 26 January, Ambedkar, and a drafting, those things. Second one is preamble and FRS, justice, Article 14, and remedies. DPSPs and duties, 42nd Amendment, which is taken from Ireland, but that is belong to module number 3. Coming to module number 4, Parliament and Judiciary, Prime Minister, Lok Sabha, then activism, etc. Fifth module is mainly dealing with the state, EC, emergencies. Remember those amendments. So, governor, election commission, those things you have to remember. Now, recommended for MCQ preparation, easy language. So these are the two important books you can go through it. Then final tip for the students, I'll be strongly recommending, remember the important dates, of course. Remember the article without any confusion. Remember the names and concepts. You will easily score 40 plus without any issues. Okay, it can be considered as a scoring package rather than passing package. Focus on the go live MCQs and module wise keywords. Of course, success will be with you. So if you have any queries, you can use the comment box. I would like to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning. Wish you all the very best for your exam point of view. If you have any queries, use the comment box. You can mail me. I can answer back. So prepare well. Utilize your like a complete 1 hour and execute all the questions and get out of out. Please read the question thrice or like quadruples so that you will be getting more idea. So have a great day. Prepare well. I will like if you require similar kind of video, subscribe our channel. Thank you all.